Hi children, welcome back to our class. Children, in the previous class, you had written choose the correct answer, fill in the blanks, then unscramble the letters. Am I right? Okay. Then now, you open your notebook. Open your notebook. Open your notebook and write down lesson 4. Lesson 4. India location. Write down India location. Write in the notebook only. Okay. Write down. Answer the following. Answer the following questions. Write down. First question. Look at the first one. You look there. First question is, what is a bay? What is a bay? What is a bay, children? Answer. What is a bay? A bay is a, write down, a bay is a stretch of water, surrounded by land on three sides. Land on three sides. What is a bay, children? A bay is a stretch of water surrounded by land on three sides. What is a bay? A bay is a stretch of water surrounded by land on three sides. Okay. Write down. Have you completed, children? First one. What is a bay? A bay is a stretch of water surrounded by land on three sides. A. B-A-Y, bay. I-S is A. S-T-R-E-T-C-H, stretch. O-F of W-A-T-E-R, water. S-U-R-R-O-U-N-D-E-D, surrounded. B-Y by L-A-N-D, land. O-N-O, T-H-R-E-E, tree. S-I-D-E-S, sides. Okay, have you completed, children? Okay, then write down the second one. Write down the second one. What is the second question? What is the second question? Which islands lie in the Bay of Bengal? Which islands lie in the Bay of Bengal? Write down. Which islands lie in the Bay of Bengal? Bay of Bengal. What is the question? Which islands lie in the Bay of Bengal? Okay, the answer is the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Answer. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Nicobar Islands Nicobar Islands. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie in the Bay of Bengal. Lie in the Bay of Bengal. Look at the second one, children. Which islands lie in the Bay of Bengal? The answer is TH the ANDAMAN, Andaman, Indians, NICOBAR, Nicobar, ISLANDS, Islands, LIE, ININ, TH the BAY, Bay, OF of BENGAL, Bengal. So here the answer is the Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie in the Bay of Bengal. Okay, children. Then next one, look at the third one. Where does Sri Lanka lie? Third one is where does Sri Lanka lie? Third one. Where does Sri Lanka lie? Where does Sri Lanka lie? The answer is Sri Lanka lies to the south of India. 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 SRILANKA, Sri Lanka. LIES, lies. TO2, THCDA, SOUTH, south. OF, INDIA, India. The next one is, which countries are India's neighbors to the west? Fourth one. Fourth one. Which countries are India's neighbors to the west? To the west. Which countries are India's neighbors to the west? The answer is Pakistan and Afghanistan. Pakistan and Afghanistan. And Afghanistan. AFGHA, Afghanistan. AFGHA, Afghanistan. AFGHA, NISTA, Afghanistan. Lie to the west of India. Lie to the west of India. Pakistan and Afghanistan. Pakistan and Afghanistan lie to the west of India. Okay, Pakistan and Afghanistan lie to the west of India. Next question is, which is the southernmost tip of mainland, then mainland India and India? That is, the southern tip of the mainland India is Kanyakumari. Then next one, India. That second point is Indira Point. That is no need to write. Okay, Indira Point in the Nicobar Islands is the southernmost tip of India. That is no need that. 4 question and answers. Once again, children, the first one is, what is a bay? A bay is a stretch of water surrounded by land on 3 sides. Second one, which islands lie in the Bay of Bengal? The answer is the Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie in the Bay of Bengal. Third one, where does Sri Lanka lie? Sri Lanka lies to the south of India. Then which countries are India's neighbors to the west? Pakistan and Afghanistan. Children, write neatly in your notebook. Okay, write neatly and write each one 5 times in your rough notebook. Okay, children, homework is lesson 3, study lesson 3, first question answer. Okay, write and study 5 times. Homework, write and study lesson 3, first question answer. Okay, how many times, sir? How many times? 5 times. Okay, children, lesson 3, first question answer. Write 5 times and study. Okay, children, I am going to wind up the class. Thank you and have a nice day.